This is the new ship that goes in the center of the game. See, it's got the support material on it. So this all gets discarded. All these weird support lines will come off. That's actually what it'll end up being. I'm going to end up printing it again. I've had to cut into it drastically to make things work. You know, and there's going to be lights in it and things like that too at the end. It'll get painted, of course. These won't be plastic ramps, they'll be metal ramps. Magnets are installed. The ball trough is wired in. The auto launch is wired, but I've unscrewed it and it's dropped out the bottom for now. What else? Opto flipper switches are in. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty ready to go. I've got the diverter in here that's hooked up and wired. I'm going to hook that up tomorrow with the actual diverter flag, and then we'll test that out. Oh, the coin door's in. Yeah, that makes all the difference in the world. Same thing with the start button. Drastic difference in gameplay.